All right, so inviting. So this is your roadmap to sharing the information. And the important parts that we want you to remember on this is be the messenger, not the message, right? We're using other tools, things like the ABC video, third-party validation, things like that to share the message. We're just being a bridge to connect people, and be positive and passionate. If you're coming into network marketing and nutraceuticals with no experience like Michelle and I did, the thing that really helped us was our excitement and our passion. We might not have been able to answer any questions that people had, but they would not walk away thinking, oh my gosh, you know, they have no belief in what they just told me. They knew for a fact that we knew where we were headed with this and why we thought it was a big deal. And we got them connected with other people, and some people joined just based off of your excitement. You wouldn't believe how many people we talk to when people call us up and they introduce us to their new distributors, as we told you to do here. Get in touch with your support team, and we ask them why they joined, and their answer is because they were excited, because they were passionate. They really believed what they were telling me. It's person after person after person. And people can feel that. They'll feel when you're down. They'll feel when you're up. You want to do this business when you're excited and when you're positive. So if you're not in that mindset, you really want to get there prior to sharing this information. And that might look different for different people. Get on that, you know, hairband song from 1982 that just pumps you up. Or, you know, do yoga or meditation for a little bit to get you in the positive mindset. We've been going through Tony Robbins for a year now to work on our mindset and being able to snap into the positive state of beauty that we want to be in. And then you want to send them somewhere to get the information, right? We're inviting them and we need a place to share. So now with this invite, what I would do is use your invite to really fill in the blank and make it a generalized invite that you can use with just over and over again, that kind of rolls off your tongue based off of their name and the reason why you want them to see, or why they need to see, the ABC Primetime invite. So a couple things that you could do. Let's go back to the three people that we had up here on the database: Bob, Amy, and Lisa. So for me, what I like to do is I like to tell people that there's this ABC report that's going to blow their mind, but I have to make it about them. So I could call Bob up and say, Bob, dude, I've known you since we were 20. Everybody you've introduced me to in your family seems like they have some sort of heart problems by the time that they're 40. There's this ABC Primetime investigative report. You got to check it out. It's going to blow your mind. Okay. And then for Amy, I'm using the exact same invite, but I'm making the why different, specific to Amy. So I'm talking to Amy. Hey, Amy, you know, I've known you for the past decade, and you're honestly, you're one of the business people that I look up to most. You're an amazing businesswoman. It seems like everything you touch turns to gold. There's this ABC Primetime investigative report. You got to check it out. It's going to blow your mind. Lisa. Hey, Lisa, what's up? You know, I love traveling with you. Our kids have been going to school together for the past 5 years. I just love doing life with you. There's this ABC Primetime report. You've got to check it out. It's going to blow your mind. You guys, I didn't say anything in there that's going to lead them to network marketing, to say, no, I don't. Is that one of those pyramid schemes? She doesn't know what I'm going to share with her. Bob doesn't know what I'm going to share with him. All they know is it's important for them to see it because of that specific reason. And you're going to get a lot less hesitancy to getting that information in front of them so that they can see it. So that's one way. We built this a lot over the phone because early on, you know, social media wasn't what it is today. Michelle does a lot more via Facebook Messenger now than she does over the phone, but you can use those in text messaging. You can use them in phone calls. You could use it on Facebook Messenger, whatever it is. Make it into your words and use it as kind of like a Mad Lib sort of thing where you're filling in the blank. Okay, you've had that conversation with somebody, and maybe they were one of the people that you didn't have a why for, and it was blank, and you're trying to fill it in, and you've been asking them questions, and all of a sudden they talk about how their knee's been hurting for the past 6 months, and they've tried all these different things and it didn't work. And maybe it's an invite as far as, if I would you. You know, Andre, you just told me your knee's been hurting for the last 6 months. If I had something that potentially could help with that, would you want to know about it? Okay, again, we're making it about them. We're not talking about Dr. McCord or nutraceuticals or, you know, biohacking or anything like that as far as getting this initial information in front of them. And we're just inviting them to see the information and finding out where they can go from there.